Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 15, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. 7th row, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 5. Column H also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 5. Column C also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D, 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 5. 4th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2nd row, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 3rd row, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 3rd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 6. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Fifth grid, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Third row and fourth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here, then we can confirm 5 also here. Third row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 9. Column E, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, then 9 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 8. 10th row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come to the cell, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. In column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. Column D, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. Column B, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Then fifth row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have pair numbers, 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, then 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then first grid, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 9. Column E, column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.